Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to turn on voice chat in Marvel Rivals. First of all, you need to go to the settings. You need to click this gear icon in the top right and select settings. Then go to the audio settings in the top menu and scroll down until you will see voice chat. And first of all, make sure that you have correct microphone selected. Then you can select two modes. One is push to talk and another one is open microphone. I prefer push to talk. Here is voice and microphone volume settings. And the most important, to turn on the voice chat, you need to click the right side here and you will see this tick sign. That means voice chat is turned on. And if you click on the left side, you will see this X mark. That means voice chat is turned off. So we need to turn it on. And that's all. We can go back. Our voice chat is activated and we can use it. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.